In October 2024, NASA's Europa Clipper probe started its 6-year journey to the moon of Jupiter. In today's video, you'll learn why you should be following this exciting mission. What is Europa? Europa is the smallest of the 4 Galilean moons orbiting Jupiter, slightly smaller than our moon. It is primarily made of rock and has a water ice crust, probably with an ocean hidden underneath. Europa also has the smoothest surface of any known solid object in the solar system. Why study Europa? Inside Europa, there may be a 100-kilometer deep salty ocean, which can contain twice as much water as our planet. Scientists believe this underground ocean must be driving the geological activity that smooths out the surface of Europa. Because of this ocean, Europa is considered one of the most likely places in the solar system to have life. How can we be sure there's life on Europa? There are 3 main ingredients for life: water, energy, and essential chemical building blocks. Scientists believe Europa has them all. However, nobody can be sure whether we'll find life there. By the way, if we don't, it will make it far more likely that we are alone in the solar system. What do scientists mean by life? Unfortunately, scientists aren't talking about discovering alien fish or whales or squids on Europa. They are talking about very simple, single-cell organisms like bacteria. However, finding even such primitive organisms beyond Earth would be a tremendous discovery. What is Europa Clipper? NASA's Europa Clipper is the first spacecraft completely dedicated to studying Jupiter's moon Europa. It is the largest NASA spacecraft built for a planetary mission. It weighs more than 6 tons and, with its solar arrays deployed, is more than 30 meters long. What will Europa Clipper do? The spacecraft will perform approximately 50 flybys of Europa. Its main goal is to investigate whether Europa could support life. The spacecraft will collect data on the internal ocean, map the surface composition and geology, and hunt for plumes of water vapor that may be venting from the icy crust. Why is the spacecraft called Clipper? The mission's name comes from the fast and nimble clipper ships of the 19th century. The name was chosen because the spacecraft will quickly fly past Europa every 2 weeks. This is a measure to minimize the effects of harsh radiation fields surrounding Jupiter. How long is the Europa Clipper mission? The spacecraft will reach its destination in 2030. To gain enough speed for its journey, it will receive gravitational assists from Mars in 2025 and Earth in 2026. The mission is currently planned to conduct 4 years of scientific observations. Will we really discover life on Jupiter's moon? We'll find out in 6 years. In the meantime, subscribe to our channel to keep learning more about space and hit that like button if you liked this video. See you next time.